Immerse yourself in the eerie echoes of the past. Picture this, the Aztec death whistle, a chilling instrument shaped like a skull, unearthed in the 90s in Mexico. Experts have since replicated its haunting sound using a 3D printer. Uncannily resembling a human scream, it's thought the whistle served in ceremonies honoring the wind god Ehecatl, or even as a tool of psychological warfare on the battlefield. Others speculate it was a guide for souls venturing into the afterlife. Found only in the hands of sacrificed individuals at a wind god temple, the rarity of these whistles intensifies their mystique. If you're intrigued by such enigmas of the past, please subscribe to our channel. Don't hesitate to suggest topics for future shorts. Also, be sure to explore our full-length videos on a myriad of fascinating subjects. Thank you for your time.